DATOS, your device need fixing. We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the battery compartment at the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off to expose the internal components. Now, carefully extract the battery by pressing the release button and pulling it out. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the trigger mechanism. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. With the battery removed, focus on the trigger assembly. You will notice a small screw holding the trigger in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove this screw. Beyond this screw, be cautious not to lose it, as you will need it for reassembly. Once the screw is out, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. It should come off easily, but if it feels stuck, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mounting points on the vacuum. Press it in to place firmly, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screw you previously removed to secure the trigger. Make sure it is tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening as this could damage the plastic. Next, it's time to reassemble the battery compartment. Before doing so, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the interior. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Once cleaned, slide the battery back into its compartment, ensuring it clicks into place. Replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle. Finally, reconnect your Dyson SV14 to the power source and test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If everything is working as it should, you've successfully replaced the trigger. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any further assistance you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.